So for this activity, you're going to have to track everything you ate and all the physical activity you did for 24 hours. And you'll have to go back to that Choose My Plate website that you had in lesson 5.02. And I had made a little video in 5.02 to explain how to create a profile and how to get started on Choose My Plate. And so this is that lesson there. Actually, the lesson right before this is the video, but here's the actual lesson, 5.02, right here. So that's the link, so we'll go over there. By the way, for those 24 hours, what I would recommend is I wouldn't go here to the Choose My Plate and record it all throughout the day. I would just put it on a piece of paper, and at the end of the day, go ahead and come in here and put it all in. So just track everything that you've been eating or an exercise you've been doing. So if you come down here, you want to go to Super Tracker. And then I'm already signed in here, but if you're not, you might have to put in your username and password. You did that in 5.02, hopefully, and remember your new username and password. You might have to create a new profile if you didn't remember that. And so here's the food tracker and here's the physical activity tracker. Those are the two you're going to be focusing on. So you're going to type in your food. Let's say you had some milk for breakfast. And so I'm just going to click on go, and that's going to take me to the food tracker site. And so here's that milk there. I'm going to pick which time that I had that. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, snack, whatever. So then we got bacon. Let's say I had turkey bacon, and so I'm gonna go ahead and put it in that I had it for breakfast as well, let's say I had 2 pieces of it, so I can put that in. And so what it'll do is over the course of the day, or whenever you put it in at the end of the day, it's going to show you your target range for each of these categories and then how much you actually ate. And so on dairy, you're doing okay. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to keep adding in for your lunch, dinner, and your snacks. And then you're going to go over to the physical activity tracker. And you're going to put you're going to do it just for one day of the week. So let's say we're working on Tuesday. So we're going to type in, let's say we went jogging in place. And let's say we did it on Tuesday and we did it for 20 minutes. And we would add that. And that's going to show the physical activity target. So we're going to go ahead and create a PDF out of each one of these files. So when you're at the food tracker or at the physical activity tracker, either one, you can just click up here on called print page, and then you have to go scroll down to the bottom where it says print, and then you're just going to open it in PDF preview. And then you can just click File, Export as PDF, and that way you'll just export it somewhere onto your computer. You can put it on your documents, or you can put it on your desktop, or whatever have you. That's a pretty good title for it, and then you're going to save it. And then when you go to turn it in, you just know where it is and what it's called, and you'll just submit it to the Dropbox. So let me know if you have any questions.